In this video, we are going to do a comparison of some of the popular analytics tools. So there are a lot of different measures that you can use to compare the popularity of analytics tools. One interesting measure is to see the level of activity on emails or discussion lists that are devoted to these tools. So some of the less popular tools will obviously not have discussion lists that are devoted to them, and some of the tools like Minitab may have just a few emails, a dozen or so emails per year. But you can see here in this graph that if we look at the mean monthly traffic on the main email discussion list for some of the popular tools, the R and SAS tools are two of the most popular tools. In recent years, R has taken over SAS in popularity on discussion lists. You can see that R has dominated the discussions in the last few years. R has also showed a decline in 2011, which is perhaps a result of migration to other forums and fairly recent appearance of easy to use user interfaces for R, such as R Commander, Deducer and Rattle, which are all taking away some of the discussions on R. Kaggle.com is a website that sponsors data analysis contests. People post data analysis problems. Companies like Netflix, which ran one of the first analytics competitions, to Heritage, which is running a fairly big analytics competition right now, which will continue to run for a couple of years, are some of the examples. So people will normally come to the Kaggle website, people or companies, and they will post data analysis problems along with some kind of a prize money to attract people, and obviously the data that they want to make available to the analysts. And here on this graph, we can see the software used by the data analysts that were working on these problems across various contests. R is in the lead by a wide margin. R's dominance is even greater among the contest winners, over 50% of whom used R. So not only are more people using R, but people are more likely to win if they are using R as well. So that goes to show how popular and powerful R is. A potential source of bias in these figures is that licenses of most proprietary softwares prohibit the use for occasions like these analytics contests. So a lot of people will either not be allowed to use proprietary tools, or even if they are using it, they may not be reporting that they are using these tools. The popular analytics website KD Nuggets conducted a poll asking its users what programming language you used for data mining or data analysis in the past 12 months. As you can see, R dominated this poll as well, with 45% of the responders saying they had used R in the past 12 months. The results of another survey done by KD Nuggets in 2012 are shown here. This one shows R in the first place with 30.7% of users reporting having used it for a real project. Excel is almost as popular. It seems out of place among so many more capable packages, but Excel is a tool that almost everyone has and knows how to use. It's interesting to note that 4 of the top 5 packages here are open source. While open source packages are clearly playing a major role in analytics, people are still using more of commercial software than open software, as you can see from the total number of users. So about 1100 users are using the commercial software and about 900 are using the open source software. An important criteria to decide which software is important or popular is of course the employment opportunities that come along with it. So let's look at the job postings on a popular job site called Indeed.com, and we are here looking at the number of jobs listing each software package in its requirement on Indeed.com. You can see that SAS is clearly the leader by far. SPSS, which is second, has less than a quarter of openings that SAS features in. Minitab is a lot less than that, and R comes in fourth. So you can see that in terms of job openings, SAS is clearly the dominant one. Lately, the adoption of R in the corporate world has been increasing dramatically, and R may well turn out to be the skill for the future. These are the results of the polls in 2012. In 2013, R would probably show a marked increase over these results. And finally, you can learn more about analytics tools by visiting the Learn Analytics section on our website. It's www.jigsawacademy.com/learn-analytics. That's the page, and you can go here to read more interesting articles on analytics tools. Two of the most useful articles are mentioned here. There's an article called 10 Most Popular Analytics Tools in Business, and another article called Which is the Best Analytics Software to Learn. So you can read both of these and get some more information about different analytic tools that are there in the market.